Hello, my name is Saketh Kunala, and here's my final project for CS50. I am from Andover, Massachusetts, and the date that I'm recording this video is August 15, 2026. Here's my GitHub username, it's Kunala2027, and here's my EDX username, Kunala_Saketh. So let's start off with the code. This is just a quick, brief overview of my code. I'll go into depth after I show you the website. And here's the website. So essentially, my website is something that I made as a result of pursuing my research project. I wanted to have a website where I can display all of the information, what I've gathered, and what I've known from this research project. And in my research project, I'm basically analyzing the ecological impacts that have happened as a result of the destruction of two different dams in Andover, Massachusetts, the Moreland Place Dam and the Balmoral Dam. So in this website, I kind of gather all of my knowledge together and I represent it in this website where anyone who's viewing or anyone who's interested, they can learn more about dams, more about my project, and more about the like a brief overview of kind of my process and what I've been doing. So here's the homepage. It talks about the project, and also here's just a quick little checker that ensures that you've checked out these pages. In the previous example, I already looked at all of my pages, so I just reset the server and rerun Flask run in order to show you that the pages actually turn into false if you don't look into them, if you haven't saw them yet. So here's the overview of the dams. Gives you a quick overview. Sources. I list all of the sources that I use, and then I also say if you're interested, you can read my paper to learn more. Here's the Moreland Place Dam, and here's the Balmoral Place Dam, or Balmoral Dam. And also I added a comments feature where you can add any comments if you have them. And for example, I kept a comment here because hello, welcome to the comment section. And with this comment section, I used SQL in order to store the comments and ensure that even if you close down the website, it'll still work. So let's go back to the home just to show you. Now everything's green. And just for a quick overview, I wanted to show you my code. And one of the things that I really like about my code is there's actually a profanity filter for the comment section. In case if anyone says any bad words, if anyone says something that they're not supposed to, I filter them out, and I make sure that they don't say any bad words so we can keep the website interesting and fun. Thank you.